Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And y'all know it's time for Kylie to get a new hairstyle. Well, kinda, okay? Kinda. Let me tell you what we gonna do, okay? My girl is going on vacation. Yes, they're taking a family vacation. I decided not to go because your girl is just too pregnant, okay? And they're going to the Virgin Islands, and yeah, I was not gonna be able to deal with that heat, and I did not want to ruin the trip for anyone. So she's gonna go with my fam to the Virgin Island, girl. So we're just gonna redo the front of her head. Yeah, because you see how I sat down? Yeah, big girl is tired, and I ain't got time to do a whole nother hairstyle. But I did take down the front. Well, she took down the front, honey, and I washed it for her. And now we're just gonna condition it and blow dry it. Mind you, it was only supposed to be the front 2 rows. I was like, okay, well, I'll just redo like her edges in the knotless, boom. No, baby. She found a whole new hairstyle. She said, no, we're going to redo the whole front. And I was like, really, Kylie? Really? Honey, give them an inch, they take a mile. She can't never just give me a little bit of room to grow, okay? She said, no, we're going to do the whole front. So I said, okay. So, yeah, we're going in and we're just going to rewash the front because it was just too dirty for me. I was like, yeah, we need to wash this. I can't just braid on top of no dirty hair like that. And I just was not trying to really do too much because it was like, okay, you go on vacation. When you come back home, I'm going to have to wash your hair again because it's like so much chlorine. I know you're going to be living in that pool, honey. So, yeah, we just going to redo the front, okay? We just redoing the front. And this is the hairstyle that she sent me. Now, this hairstyle is similar to what we did for Christmas with the 2 ponytails. So I was like, oh, yeah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I can get this done. Little did let me tell you something, baby. The front of her head was taken down for 2 days before I got to it, okay? 2 days. I know it looks so like I did everything in one day in this video. No, ma'am. Y'all see how I watered in that camera? Your girl is tired. When I be telling y'all to pray for me, I be meaning it from the bottom of my heart. Pray some good prayers, okay? Remember my name when you down on bended knee, because your girl be tired, okay? But, yeah, nevertheless, I could not let my girl go outside in the Virgin Islands, so I had to muscle up some strength to get it together. So here I am, just parting it off, getting ready to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I didn't want to do too much because I was just like, I know when you come home, you're going to want to retake it down, and I'm going to have to restart the process again. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And let me tell you something, I'm getting so confused with these zigzags, even though I had did them before, and they ain't even zigzags. What it is, crisscross, I don't know what we call them, overlapping parts. So I had to lay down my first braid, and then I started like, okay, let me see where I'm going, and then I started parting it off like that. And this is what we came with. This is what that middle part was giving me a run for my money. But y'all see, I kept it going. I just kept going till I couldn't go no more, and I still hadn't sectioned off that middle part. But we gonna make it work, okay? Y'all already know what I do, okay? Look at me. Yeah, tired. I did refreshing up her curls. We dipped the in flexi rods. So, it was almost like she got a whole new hairstyle, y'all. Almost. Look at me. Trying, baby, tired. Took me so long to do them little 10 little braids across the front of her head. 10, 12, however many. Across the front of her head. I can't wait till I drop so I can get my strength back. Lord, I can't wait. And now I think about it, babe, I'm gonna have 2 heads to do. 2 of them. And not even including myself, honey. Y'all pray for me, okay? If you know the words of prayer, lift Tierra up in there, okay? Lift me up. And this is what I find the result. Look like a whole new hairstyle. Freshen her right on up. Look at this new woman. Who this is? And babe, she gonna wear this glitter gloss hair, tinsel hair till it ain't no more. And y'all seen how much I got. So yeah, this is what she's been rocking with in the Virgin Islands. And we gonna post the video, show y'all her vacation. Thanks for watching.